The ultimate test, the story. One night, 4 college students stayed up late partying, even though they knew they had a test the next day. The next morning, they came up with a plan to get out of having to take their test. Each student rolled around in dirt and then went to the teacher's office. They told the teacher that they had gotten a flat tire the night before, and they spent the entire night pushing their car back to campus. The teacher listened, and to the students' delight, he offered a retest 3 days later. On the day of the test, the students went to their teacher's office. The teacher put all 4 of the students in separate rooms to take the test. The students were okay with that because they had been given a chance to study. The moral: The Blind Girl Story, The Elephant Rope, inspirational short stories about life. You always need to take responsibility for your actions aside from making wise decisions. Aside from making wise decisions, you always need to take responsibility for your actions. This means not blaming other people for your mistakes, not complaining about the reality of the present moment, and not giving in to other people's pressure. Please, like, share and follow for everyday motivation.